This is our latest find from our little rock hunting adventure. Some really pretty ones. I like this one. Look at that. Pink right through the middle. And then crystals inside the pink. Pretty granite. And this one's really pretty. Pretty pink. Just wanted to show you, this one was really interesting too, with a green stripe in the middle. Some of the smaller ones here, I'm in the sun, look at that. This one, really different stuff. This red one has little crystals on top. Very interesting. Look at the markings on this one. Really different. This one is really cool. Look at that. Okay. Oh, and this one is really cool too. Just wanted to share those with you. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.